In this module, we will review the steps to add a device in Management Console and demonstrate how to install Backup Manager on a device. The Management Console displays an overview of all the customer data sources and backup status. Add devices at the customer level. The installation package is customer-specific. There are two options for adding a device: servers or workstations to backup end-user devices, or Microsoft 365 for Exchange, OneDrive, SharePoint, and Teams. It is important to note that the installation package file name should not be renamed. The file name contains unique identifiers that pair the file with the customer. Post the .exe file on a secure site to distribute, and download the Backup Manager installation package. The Backup Manager is a silent install, and devices will appear in the dashboard when the initial backup is in process. Devices are consolidated at the MSP level, or separated at the customer level and site level.